It's just different.
Yeah, we ain't gotta make this harder than it gotta be. You the baddest that I've seen in a while. I ain't about to let you get away. If you want, we can get away. Excuse me, love. Excuse me, love. You the baddest that I've seen in a while. Excuse me, love.
Day in, night out, it's like you never clock out. You different from the rest, the way your style, I'm impressed. You got your head right, working after school. When your girl's trying to kick it, you got better things to do. It's like it's too good to be true. It ain't too many women like you. Young with ambition, never too cute to listen. So what, it makes you different? At least you got your head right, making better decisions. Ain't nothing wrong with stripping, just don't let that money make you shake it for what they pay you. Take a couple shots, just don't let them touch your spot. She working it in them heels, DJ play it one time like this her favorite song. She shaking it from behind, she got them gone through they mind, spending every dime. She never take them home, ain't no numbers in the phone. She get respect like one of us, ain't no issues with trust. I know she down cause she ride for me, and it ain't nothing she won't hide from me.
We ain't gotta make this harder than it gotta be. You the baddest that I've seen in a while. I ain't about to let you get away. If you want, we can get away.
Like you.
Excuse me, love. What you
One
know
of
about
a
that
kind, I see the
life?
big picture.
Have you living right? I'ma hit it right. Excuse me, love. I just need you in my
They
life.
say change is
baby.
always
The
good,
baddest that
but
I've
only
seen
if
in a
it's better.
while. Excuse me,
Can't
love.
lie, when we first made eye contact, went from a hood, walked in cheddars, never seen a view better. Leggings right, all black, came with a friend too. Ordered straight from the bar, then she followed to the room. 25 for the valet, grabbing all the bags, upgrade the room like a mansion with a pad. Grab a couple of bottles, got a few thoughts running while she eating, getting dressed, makeup on, nothing less. Styling, hop in the whip soon as she ready. First take, leaving medical school, and then we bounce out the studio, just vibing. Played a few tracks, then she whispered in my ear, say she wanna get away. That's cool, we can chill. She don't ask for much, just some quality time. And when she wanna be touched, gotta live it right, show her things she ain't never seen. Take her places she only saw in her dreams. Know what I mean?
We ain't gotta make this harder than it gotta be. You the baddest that I've seen in a while. I ain't about to let you get away. If you want, we
We ain't
can get
gotta make
away.
this harder what it gotta
Excuse
be.
me, love. What you know about that jet life?
You
Have
the
you
baddest
living
that I've
right?
seen in
I'ma
a
hit it
while.
right. Excuse me, love. I
ain't
just
about
need
to
you
let
in
you
my
get
life,
away.
baby girl. The baddest
If
that
you
I've
want,
seen
we
in a
can get
while.
away.
Excuse me, love.
Son of bags, you know I got you. Poppin' tags forever last. Just let your past go, you know what I mean? You know that's all I ask.